This weekend we're taking Southern Railway to Chichester. Chichester is a historic cathedral city in West Sussex, not far from the South Downs and the south coast of England. Arriving directly into the station keeps the journey simple and comfortable. It's just a short walk to the city centre, meaning you can explore on foot without needing a car, parking or traffic planning. Begin your visit by wandering through Chichester's Georgian streets. The city centre has a warm, traditional layout with a market square, brick lanes, quiet courtyards and a thoughtful selection of independent shops and cafes. If you're considering what to do in Chichester, simply walking its streets is a wonderful way to start. Take in the architecture, do some shopping and make sure that you stop at one of the many cafes for coffee and a bite to eat. Next up, head over to Chichester Cathedral, the city's most recognisable landmark. It's an impressive and tranquil building with beautiful stonework, stained glass and a calm, reflective interior. Unlike many other medieval cathedrals, Chichester is surrounded by green space, giving it a serene and inviting setting. So whether you're interested in architecture, history, photography or anything else, the cathedral is one of the highlights of the city. Next up, Bishop's Palace Gardens. Just behind the cathedral, this is a secluded green space with lawns, flower borders, ponds and shaded pathways. This is one of the loveliest places to unwind outdoors, and the best bit is it's a beautiful green space right in the heart of Chichester city centre. The gardens feel hidden and intimate, perfect for a walk, going for a picnic or letting the kids run around and burn off some of that energy. And if you're curious if Chichester is a city, yes, it has official city status, shaped historically around its cathedral and Roman street pattern. So I've just got to the Treasury Suites in Chichester, which is, in my opinion, one of the best places that you can stay. It's so well located and it's so cosy, it's perfect. So let's have a little look around. The Treasury Suites offers elegant and characterful rooms within easy reach of the city centre. The building feels calm and refined, making it ideal for short breaks, special occasions or slow weekends. Staying here allows you to enjoy the evening atmosphere of Chichester without rushing home, and it gives you time to relax before a second day of exploring. I've had the absolute best sleep at the Treasury Suites. I feel really refreshed and ready to go. We're going to have a bit more of an educational day and we're going to go start looking around some galleries and some museums and just see what there is to do on day 2 in Chichester. Pallant House Gallery is one of the leading modern art galleries in the region. The gallery blends a historic townhouse with contemporary architectural spaces, creating an inspiring setting for British and international modern art. Exhibits do change throughout the year, but the core collection showcases sculpture, paintings, drawings and design from influential artists. So whether you're an art enthusiast or simply curious, Pallant House offers an engaging cultural experience in the heart of Chichester. Plus, if you buy your advance fare with Southern Railway, you get 2-for-1 tickets to the Pallant Gallery. Continue on to the Novium Museum, a friendly cultural space built over the remains of a Roman bathhouse. Exhibits explore the archaeology, history and local identity of Chichester and the wider region. Displays are family-friendly and educational, and the museum helps you understand how the city developed from its Roman root to the cathedral centre you see here today. So, does all of this make Chichester a nice place to live? Well, it feels safe, welcoming and community-minded with culture, parks, cafes, cycle routes and so much close access to countryside and coast. And with Southern Railway and Chichester Station, you're so well connected to the south coast cities such as Brighton and Portsmouth. Plus, it's so easy to get into London and so many more places. Download the Southern Railway app to get up-to-date travel information and book your ticket to Chichester. Subscribe for more rail-based travel inspiration and we'll see you on the next journey.